Regarde ce coup de poing.
Du courage. Jean-Claude, il est KO, la droite.
Maintenant, regarde celui-ci. Depuis ses premiers combats, Mike Tyson s'est imposé par sa férocité sur le ring. Pendant des années, il n'était pas seulement un champion, il était une force incontrôlable que ses adversaires redoutaient avant même le premier coup. Mais avec le temps, d'autres sont arrivés, plus jeunes, plus affamés, prêts à renverser les anciens rois. Ainsi, Tyson s'est retrouvé face à Lennox Lewis dans un combat qui allait marquer un tournant brutal dans sa légende. La Pyramide Arena était pleine à craquer. Les caméras filmaient Tyson, montant sur le ring avec son regard froid mais son corps déjà moins explosif. Il avait 35 ans, avec un palmarès de 49 victoires, 43 par KO et 3 défaites. Lennox Lewis, 36 ans, était le champion incontesté des poids lourds, avec 39 victoires et seulement 2 défaites. Pour beaucoup, c'était le combat le plus attendu du siècle. Pour Tyson, c'était sa dernière chance de prouver qu'il était encore l'homme le plus méchant de la planète. Dès le coup de gong, Tyson fonça pour imposer son rythme. Il se jeta sur Lewis, essayant de réduire la distance, cherchant à placer ses crochets dévastateurs qui avaient détruit tant d'adversaires. Mais Lewis, avec sa taille et sa portée supérieure, resta calme. Il utilisait son jab comme une lance, stoppant les avances de Tyson et le forçant à réfléchir à chaque mouvement. Tyson parvint à entrer quelques fois et à toucher au corps, mais Lewis répondait immédiatement avec des directs à la tête. La différence de taille et de technique était évidente. Tyson était en terrain miné.
It's going to get real. Dives into me. You better fight Tyson. You better fight him. You better fight him good. Tyson is looking at the referee already. Go to that body. Go hard. Then make your man up. Still, though, seems to be the aggressor of the two. Lewis is going to stop moving his head now.
Tyson continua de mettre la pression, lançant des combinaisons sauvages, mais Lewis restait impassible, frappant avec précision. Chaque tentative d'approche de Tyson était accueillie par un jab ou un uppercut. Le champion britannique contrôlait parfaitement la distance. Un direct de Lewis ouvrit une petite coupure au-dessus de l'œil droit de Tyson. Le sang commença à couler. Le public, partagé entre ceux qui voulaient voir Tyson renaître et ceux qui soutenaient Lewis, retenait son souffle. Tyson termina le round en lançant un crochet puissant qui rata de peu sa cible.
Still trying to figure out a way to get in.
Pushing Tyson away also for the second time in this round and delivers. But it's Lewis.
La blessure à l'œil de Tyson empirait. Lewis, méthodique, intensifiait la pression. Il utilisait son jab pour maintenir la distance et, à chaque tentative d'attaque de Tyson, il répondait avec des uppercuts dévastateurs. Un direct fit basculer la tête de Tyson en arrière, mais l'ancien champion avançait encore, mu par la fierté plutôt que par la stratégie. Chaque seconde sur le ring rappelait que l'époque de sa domination était révolue. Tyson cherchait un coup miracle, mais Lewis semblait avoir toutes les réponses.
Going into this fight, Eric's taken some solid shots so far.
He can get that right hand down there low and make it sound. He's coming on.
That Lewis has had his way from a distance.
Head movement. He was all in balance. On the back when a guy keeps leaning on you. Oh! Music by Tyson. Tyson.
corner and saying, I've got it under control. Here's Lennox.
Tyson commença à ralentir. Ses attaques devenaient prévisibles. Lewis, sentant l'opportunité, prit plus de risques. Il connecta un crochet du gauche qui fit chanceler Tyson. L'arbitre observait de près. Tyson, le visage ensanglanté, tentait de rester en mouvement, mais son énergie diminuait. C'était un spectacle douloureux pour ceux qui se souvenaient du jeune féroce des années 80. La distance, le temps et les coups jouaient contre lui.
When he throws that number, he's very dangerous. Now he has a fight score through 3.
Okay, Fred, 29. And he signaled to me that the cut was caused by a punch. The first round, I thought Mike Tyson did a nice job getting inside, but at this point in the fight, the bad boy of boxing is
Lewis following the Holyfield blueprint, leaning on Tyson. And right now, firing that right. Lennox Lewis has been holding too much.
George, he's also been punching.
8 weeks teaching Mike Tyson in Maui during his training camp. Less bobbing and weaving. I mean, sometimes when you're beaten, that's enough to bring you back in the
He is a dangerous puncher.
Lewis leans on Tyson. The force of Lewis on Tyson's back.
It's not a foul, George, is it?
Lewis prit totalement le contrôle du ring. Il dictait le rythme, imposait la distance, dominait chaque échange. Tyson essayait de réduire l'écart, mais recevait des combinaisons brutales. Un uppercut du droit souleva Tyson dans les airs un instant. La foule rugit, l'arbitre surveillait de près, prêt à intervenir à tout moment. Tyson, chancelant, réussit à s'accrocher à Lewis pour survivre au round. Mais son visage racontait déjà l'histoire d'une défaite imminente.
Lewis throwing 39 punches. One good shot. A man is not trying to win points. He's just looking for one shot, and Lewis doesn't stop anything.
Tyson looks worn out.
He is.
And tired.
He is. Around, he should have had him and jabbing him and pecking him. He should go on and lower the. Lewis go around, looking for opportunities to set up his right. Now Tyson.
There's the right hand that opened the eye.
Le sang coulait librement de l'œil droit de Tyson. Lewis ne se précipitait pas. Il le punissait méthodiquement avec son jab. Tyson, avec son esprit de combattant intact, avançait encore, mais ses mouvements étaient lents, maladroits. Un direct du droit de Lewis faillit le faire tomber, mais Tyson se maintint debout miraculeusement. Le public, suspendu à chaque action, assistait à la démolition méthodique d'une légende.
Now Tyson should take a round off now. Let this guy move landing at will in the 5th round, 31 box. Hurt. Better do something. Lewis, another. The lack of
Good punch. His best shot so far. But Lewis took it. Tyson has been eating them. Lewis has been throwing right hands.
Tyson tenta une dernière attaque furieuse au début du round, lançant des crochets désespérés. Lewis recula prudemment, mesurant le danger. Puis, après avoir esquivé les assauts, il reprit son plan. Une combinaison brutale, jab, droite, uppercut. Tyson recula, blessé. Lewis le poursuivit, martelant sans pitié. Tyson tomba à genoux, le visage couvert de sang. L'arbitre entama le compte. Fidèle à son orgueil, Tyson essaya de se relever, mais ses jambes ne répondirent pas. Il se releva à la limite pour s'effondrer à nouveau.
4 punches throwing only 17. Tyson told him
On his stool. He seems versatile.
oh, big good right hand thing to him, so he'll do something to you. There's another good right hand. Out past the 7th round. Lennox Lewis, triple
Knee, touch the canvas. I'm not.
Lennox Lewis.
hoping that this fight would redeem his not.
Good job. He's got heart. You can't take that from him. Big right hand from Lewis. Nine. It's over. Lennox Lewis cements his legacy as one of the best heavyweight champions of this era. Nobody should be able to, there's no one in the world can take that from Lennox Lewis now. He is no doubt the best heavyweight of all time. What he's done, clearly.
It doesn't require that kind of maniacal conditioning to fight that fight. And we just saw a masterpiece.
Si tu as cru que sa chute contre Lewis était dévastatrice, attends de voir comment il a été démantelé par son pire ennemi. Le MGM Grand Garden Arena rugissait. Tyson, 30 ans, restait une figure intimidante. En face de lui, Evander Holyfield, un guerrier que beaucoup pensaient fini. Dès la cloche, Tyson fonça comme un tank. Il voulait imposer le respect, lancer des combinaisons et finir vite. Mais Holyfield n'était pas comme les autres. Il ne recula pas. Il bougeait intelligemment, esquivait les coups et ripostait avec précision. Tyson toucha quelquefois lourdement, mais Holyfield resta impassible. Le premier round se termina avec Holyfield plaçant un uppercut en corps à corps qui fit vaciller Tyson. Ce n'était que le début.
As soon as he hit him, he got his attention. And Mike looks like he's going to take his time. He's so strong, it's unbelievable how difficult it is to move Mike.
Let go of that, let go. How will Holyfield respond to these early brawling tactics? A straight right hand, a quick right by Tyson. Tyson then with a left uppercut. The crowd behind Holyfield.
Evander's settling this down to more of what he wants, a sort of boxing match rather than just these big slugging.
Holyfield comes back with a left hook. Holyfield with a combination to Tyson's head.
You know what? There you saw Evander Holyfield throw a nice body shot. Holyfield's coming close a lot. We've been wondering.
Oh, a straight right hand by Tyson that landed as we head for the bell. They continue to go after the bell.
Tyson revint plus agressif. Il voulait briser la volonté de Holyfield par la force brute. Mais Holyfield restait calme, mesurant ses attaques. Chaque tentative de Tyson était punie par un coup au corps ou indirect au visage. La stratégie d'Holyfield était claire, frapper, épuiser. Tyson continuait de presser, mais son agressivité tombait sur un roc. Le public sentait qu'il se passait quelque chose d'étrange. Tyson semblait parfois déconcerté.
He can't fight inside with Mike. I don't think anybody can.
Holyfield kicking to the body with a right uppercut. Vicious left hook there by Tyson, but it was warded off nicely by Holyfield. That left hook missed by Holyfield. He spins Tyson around. Tyson against the ropes.
I'll tell you what, the crowd thought that Mike was hurt. Mike got a good shot.
Combination by Holyfield to the head of Tyson. Again, something unusual. Oh, a straight left hand by Holyfield. It's been Tyson holding on.
Le combat devint plus physique, beaucoup de corps à corps, d'accrochages, de chocs de tête. Tyson, habitué à dominer, se retrouvait face à un adversaire qui résistait et répondait coup pour coup. Lors d'un échange, Holyfield plaça une droite au menton qui fit reculer Tyson. Pour la première fois depuis longtemps, Mike semblait vulnérable. Holyfield, sentant l'ouverture, augmenta la pression.
I'll tell you what, this is going to be a long fight like this. It's just going to be long. Holding every time they get close, and they get close a lot. It was Evander's not retreating. It was the tail end of my honeymoon in November 8th. I flew in to see the fight, and it didn't happen.
Good exchange here.
This will be a real attrition battle.
We approach the final 10 seconds of round number 3. As Holyfield looks to counterpunch off the swinging miss. Ooh. Holyfield coming on. A right uppercut. Counterpunch combination by Tyson. But Holyfield getting the better of that duel.
Holyfield prit l'initiative. Il ne se contentait plus de répondre, il attaquait. Il plaça une série de coups qui coinça Tyson contre les cordes. Tyson tenta de répliquer avec des crochets au corps, mais son timing n'était plus là. Holyfield, avec ses esquives rapides et ses contres précis, infligeait des dégâts visibles. La confiance d'Holyfield grandissait à chaque seconde. Le public, stupéfait, assistait à la chute d'une icône.
Overall strength is going to be a big factor with this type of fight too. Evander can't keep wrestling with Mike all day and still be effective enough and strong enough later on. Badly, or they let him have some in a round. Good combination, fast, out-slicking.
La résistance de Tyson était mise à rude épreuve. Holyfield, calme et méthodique, continuait de le punir. Chaque erreur de Tyson était exploitée. Uppercut, crochet, Tyson encaissait de plein fouet. Ses attaques devenaient désespérées et brouillonnes. Holyfield restait froid, concentré. Tyson frappait par rafale, mais ses forces diminuaient. Holyfield, lui, semblait encore frais.
By Tyson, but a glancing blow. Back comes Holyfield.
I think Tyson's got to get back into his rhythm again.
Evander Holyfield is disorganizing Tyson. He's keeping him out of his attack.
That hurt. There's a right uppercut to the body and left hook to the chin. I'll tell you what, that got Evander's attention and good.
Tyson unleashing uppercuts to the body, digging to the chin. It startled Holyfield. It sends him back a bit.
Right to the body.
Punches here by Mike Tyson. Left uppercut that sent Holyfield backpedaling.
But Tyson's force, the force of his blow is changing everything.
Short left hook by Tyson right on the nose of Evander Holyfield. He's trying to beat a man who has lost only once in 46 fights. Mike Tyson with a straight right hand. Well, Tyson said he's more patient and more disciplined in the ring. He's got all his anger under control in the ring. We'll see if it bears true. Now the jab of Holyfield. The right hook by Holyfield.
Tyson.
And Evander has the reach. He should use that jab more.
Tyson tenta une dernière accélération. Il lança des combinaisons rapides, espérant trouver un coup décisif. Holyfield encaissa ce qu'il fallait et riposta durement. Un direct du droit secoua Tyson, suivi d'un uppercut. Tyson, chancelant, s'accrocha pour ne pas tomber. L'arbitre les sépara. Tyson, bouche grande ouverte, peinait à respirer. Holyfield savait que la fin approchait.
Round 5 was a good one for Tyson. The crowd a little quieter as a result.
He looked confused because he was getting outboxed for the first 4 rounds. But
that's a big left hook.
Now what?
Mitch Halpern again calls time. Accidental headbutt.
Who's cut? Oh,
Tyson is cut.
Tyson is cut. Can't see much right now, but he is cut.
After 4 rounds, they'll go to the scoring cards on an accidental foul. Now both wailing away. What an exchange.
Mike got in some very clean shots. I was surprised that Evander took them standing up so easily and came back.
Cut, not looking good. Above the left eye of Mike Tyson. So now a sense of urgency begins to develop.
And madness.
Because of the cut. Ooh, a low blow by Holyfield.
That was a low blow to Mike. Holyfield hit him real low.
And it hurt him. Mike's face crickled when he got hit.
He grimaced. Holyfield turned on by the crowd. Less than a minute in round 6.
Holyfield's closing this round like a champion, like the overachieving warrior that he is.
Oh, down goes Tyson. A left hook.
That was a body shot. I think he was a little more balanced.
Note the time. 35 seconds left in the 6th.
Evander Holyfield is letting it all hang out.
Holyfield domina de bout en bout. Chaque accrochage était à son avantage. Chaque échange finissait sur un coup propre. Tyson, le visage enflé, les yeux remplis de rage impuissante, ne trouvait plus de solution. Une combinaison de 3 coups faillit le mettre au tapis. Le public, venu pour voir Tyson écrasé, applaudissait désormais Holyfield.
Mike is getting to that little level where he might need a knockout. I don't know what the judges are looking at. I don't know how much they give a favorite immortal-like fighter like Tyson's becoming, but I have him ahead by so much. I have Evander ahead by so much that it's getting to the point where either he gets a knockout or he's going to win this fight.
A right hook followed by a left by Holyfield, and countering with a combination is Mike Tyson. That left hook, which is usually lethal, being guarded beautifully by Holyfield.
See, I've got him ahead by 3. Meaning that if you bought one every round, you can only get a draw.
Tyson missing and Holyfield countering with a right uppercut.
First real signs of weariness on Holyfield. First real signs.
Oh, a straight right combination by Holyfield. Holyfield looking to air it out.
Holyfield's unloading and is taking a shot. He's going for it.
Oh, Tyson's in trouble. Holyfield smothers Tyson. Looking to put Tyson down and end the fight. Tyson in fire trouble. He's saved by the bell.
Mike is out on his feet.
La cloche sonna, mais Tyson était à bout. Holyfield avança sans hésiter. Uppercut, crochet du droit, crochet du gauche. Tyson vacilla. L'arbitre surveillait de près. Dans un dernier corps à corps, Holyfield le repoussa et enchaîna une combinaison en pleine tête. Tyson s'effondra entre les cordes. Il se releva, chancelant, mais l'arbitre, après évaluation, mit fin au combat.
Evander's got to be careful here to hold on, but he has fought a perfect fight.
No matter what happens from here on in, we are looking at a sports legend in the purple trunks, Evander Holyfield. Holyfield continues to make it